you know that you can get paid for snitching on someone to the IRS? As the economy is getting tighter and tighter, I know some of you guys are looking for ways of making some quick cash. So guys, today I have this one trick that you can get yourself some extra cash without putting in a single effort. So follow me and I take you on this journey how you can make this extra cash on the side. Remember, cash is cash and a win is a win. So did you know that you can get paid for snitching on someone to the IRS? You can literally snitch on your friend, family, your ex-girlfriend or your ex-boyfriend or your boss and get paid by the IRS. And I know you're asking yourself, how can I do this? All you have to do is complete Form 211. Form 211 is the form that you have to complete and submit to the IRS in case you know someone that you think that is evading taxes and you have the evidence. The IRS has what we call the whistleblower program. In this program, you can snitch on someone that you think that is evading on taxes or someone that you think that is committing tax fraud. Once you snitch on this person to the IRS, and then the IRS does its own investigation and they are able to recover what this person was owing them in taxes, you can literally get paid up to 30% of what the IRS recovers from the person that you reported. So let me give you a picture. Just imagine this person owes the IRS $100,000. This means that you can literally get paid up to $30,000. I mean, that's a good deal. Imagine reporting your ex if you're toxic and you get paid up to $30,000. I mean, that's a win. And remember guys, a win is a win. A win is a win. Or maybe you can report your boss and get paid. If you're a snitch and you want to get paid some money by Uncle Sam, you can report a family member that you think is evading on taxes or you think that is committing tax fraud. And like I said, all you have to do is complete Form 211 and then submit the name and the address of the person that you think is committing tax fraud, and the IRS will do its own investigation. And once they get paid, guess what? You can also get paid by the government for snitching on this person. So that's a quick way that you can get a paycheck from the government. I mean, when was the last time you got paid by the government? So by saying this, I'm not teaching or encouraging you guys to be snitches on your families, exes, friends and bosses, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do and get that check. See you again next time when we come back on Random with Jackson, and feel free to hit on that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss up on the coming videos about how you can make some extra cash on the side. Thanks for watching.